Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and you've had a relaxing weekend. So in this video today, I wanted to show you how I prepare my serving boards and how I finish them. So if you're using an old board like I'm doing today here, you may want to sand it a little bit, either with a sandpaper or if you have a sanding machine, it's even better and quicker. Once you're done with sanding the piece, you can just give it a quick wipe down with a damp cloth. Once the board is dried, I then go ahead and put masking tape on one side of it. Once I'm done with putting the tape down, I'll run my fingers all around the edges to make sure that the tape. Then using a very sharp knife, I run it along the edge of a board to cut any of the excess tape off. Once again, with my fingers or a tool, I will run it along the edge of a board to make sure it's well stuck so that no paint goes underneath. Once the artwork is done and it has dried, we can now finish the back of the piece. To remove the tape, I lay the piece down on a piece of foam or sponge to protect the artwork on the other side. Then with a heat gun, I go around the edge of the piece to soften the resin up a little bit. This helps to the tape to come off a little bit easier. Once I have heated up a section, I then go ahead and peel the tape off by rolling it onto itself. Now don't be alarmed if the tape doesn't come off or quite neatly or if it tears apart. Either you need to heat it up a little bit longer or we can take care of it in the next step. So I keep repeating this step by heating up section by section around the board until all the tape is removed. Once all the tape has been removed, I then heat up the board section by section again, and with the help of a chisel, I then gently and very carefully slice off any of the excess resin from the edge of a board. Now with the chisel, you should be able to cut through the resin like butter. If you find that this is not the case, then just heat up the resin a little bit longer and it should work better. So keep repeating this step until the whole board is done. With an electric sander, I then smooth out the whole piece again to make sure that it is leveled and there are no sharp bits sticking out. I focus on the edges to make sure that it is beveled and it is smooth. Then I wipe it down with a damp cloth. So if you're like me and you like a very nice clean finished look to your pieces, these steps will help a lot in achieving that. As a very last step, if you want to restore the shine and the vibrancy of the wood, simply apply some oil onto it, let it absorb for a little bit and wipe it back. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like, comment and share so that other people get to see this content. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.